Welcome to EduCAD channel. Today I gonna show you how to convert the drawing meter to feet. So let's get started. To convert the drawing meter to feet, first we have to change the unit of the drawing. So you command UN enter. Then in the lane type we have to select architectural. Then in the precision we have to select uh, 0 feet 0 inch, and in the intersection scale we have to select inches, then select OK. Then we have to change the dimension style also. So I command the enter and click here to the modify. So first we have to select the primary unit, which is already selected. In here we have to select architectural. Then in the precision we have to select 0 feet 0 inch, and suffix we do not need it. Then we have to select text and give here the text height 1 feet or as per your requirement. Then we have to select symbol and arrows and write here 1 feet or as per your choice. Then click OK. Then we have to scale it, scaling it, and to scale it we have to select SC enter, then select all the drawing and press the enter again. Then we have to write here 39.37, which is because uh, 1 meter is equal to 39.37 inches. And we have to click enter. The drawing convert meter to feet. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.